won't you stop loving me? Look at all this time we have going through it with your dad. I'ma leave it in the past for you. Always wanna.
I know everybody's stuck in the house, can't get their hair done. So I'm gonna show y'all some easy cornrow styles y'all can do. If you don't have your hair down, I'm just show you guys some easy cornrow hairstyles to do. Like what I always do, my favorites. So yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, this is how it look. I'm not too crazy about baby hair, so I don't really do the whole baby hair thing, but this is what it looks like. This is just an easy hairstyle. Like if you can't get your hair done because of everything that's going on, you can just put your hair in 2 French braids and go. If you're able to go, if you need to go to work or whatever, this is for you. This is look number 1. Second look. This is one of my favorites too. Just put 2 braids and go. I'm playing Toddy too much today. But yeah, I just love wearing my hair in 2 braids. Like ever since I haven't been wearing like I haven't worn my wigs in like maybe a month. I just been wearing my hair in 2 braids. Yeah, it's been a month now. So So just moving my hair in 2 braids. I tried to flat iron it, but that was a no-go. So I'm just gonna stick to the curly styles and the cornrows, French braids, whatever y'all wanna call it. So this is how it look, 2 braids. Like I said, I'm not too crazy about the baby hairs or that stuff, just not for me. But mine are like natural, so they lay naturally. So I ain't gotta do all the pulling and all that. I ain't gotta do all that. But yeah. So very easy. This is one of my favorites too. This is what I do. So, like, you don't have to be the best braider to braid your hair. Like, as long as it's not like crazy looking, you don't have to be the best braider. I'm not the best braider. Like, I'm not the best braider at all. So I just do these 3 hairstyles and go. Like if your hair is not long enough, you can use synthetic hair. I will try to get some synthetic hair so I can do a video with the synthetic hair, braiding my hair. But yeah, these are some easy hairstyles you can do. I know everybody is like going crazy because they can't get their hair done, all type of stuff. So these are some easy hairstyles you guys can do. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Like, leave some comments, some suggestions in the comment section below, and I will do them for you guys. Let me know what kind of hair videos you want to see, and I will do it. I'm thinking about dyeing my hair lavender. Like, I don't know. I think I'm just doing the back half lavender. I don't know, because of professional reasons. But I think I'm doing the back half lavender. I don't know. So let me know what you guys want to see. Yeah. Enjoyed this video. I was just giving you guys a few hairstyles to do because I know a lot of people were saying that they can't get out and get their hair done and they need their hair done. So I'm here to save you guys, at least I hope, to give you some easy cornrow hairstyles you can do. Yeah. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like this video, share it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.